So what's a bit weird about this question is um, just how similar it is to. Hang on. Yeah, so that's why I was saying what's a bit weird about this question is how similar it is to the previous question. Because what we've just done is we've calculated the volume here of the cap, and then the next question is what's the remaining volume. So like it's just literally do the same thing but minus the total volume. It's it's a bit strange, really. Like, hang on, let's see. So like if I just remove this here, um, okay, I'll just pop this here, and then I'll just move this up to the top here. So the volume here will be the sphere 4 over 3 pi r cubed minus, and then pi, again, a to b, um, x squared dy, where it's the cap's volume here. Just rotate it around here to calculate this volume, but just remove it from the total. So it's just a repeat of the last question. Yeah, the letters are the same even. Like that's a H there. I guess what's actually a little bit different is that the small r isn't given this time. So in fact, I think it would be a little bit easier to do. I think. Um, yeah. So, oh, yeah, they're a little bit sneaky actually by using the capital R instead of small r. It means I actually cannot use my previous answer as easily. I mean, I could try. It'd be 4/3 pi r cubed minus pi h over 6 h squared plus 3, and then we have to do something about the small r if I want to use that last formula. So that would be the small r here. That's the center. So that would be big R. So we can have small r squared plus r minus h squared equals big R squared. So the small r I could replace with r squared minus r minus h squared. That would be the small r. Okay, let's see what I get. 4 over 3 pi r cubed minus pi h over 6. And then that's h squared plus 3r squared minus 3r squared plus 3rh. No, 6. And then, let's see, that's plus h squared minus 3h squared. Let's double check that. H squared, 3r squared minus 3r squared. And then that's plus, but see, that's minus plus 6rh minus 3h squared. So they cancel. So that would be 4/3 pi r cubed minus 1/6 pi. And maybe I should multiply the h in. H cubed plus 6 or, oh, actually, hang on. H squared minus, oh no, they don't go together. So maybe I keep the h out then. H, oh, actually, I can take another h out. H, so that would be h, no, yes, that would be, that is a square. Why is it thinking that wasn't a square? h squared minus 3h squared, that's minus 2h squared, or minus 2h, plus 6r. Okay, so I can take a 2 out. That would become a 3. So I can take pi over 3 out. I'll be left with 4r cubed. Minus h squared times h, that's plus h cubed. And then minus h squared minus 3 or h squared. Nothing in common that comes out. Everything's in terms of r and h. Is that correct? Let's see. Oh, the answer's the back, isn't it? Let's see. So what question is this? 113. 113. 113. Simplified. Yeah, okay. How does that look? Well, there's the pi over 3. That's good. It should have a h cubed in it. Yeah, okay. And then a minus 2r cubed. No, it's a 4r cubed. No, that's not right. Sorry. That's plus 4r squared plus 4r cubed. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so actually this is looking like it could match up. So let's try and simplify it a bit more. Promising so far. All right, let's see. What can I do to factorize this? They haven't h plus r. Maybe it might be enough if I can just show that it becomes the answer at the back. So what's the answer at the back then? Pi over 3 h plus r times h minus 2r squared. Okay, so that would have been pi over 3 h plus r times h squared minus 4 or h plus 4r squared. And that would have been pi over 3 h cubed minus 4 or h squared plus 4 or squared h plus h or h squared minus 4 or squared h plus 4 or cubed. There's 4 or cubed. There's h cubed. And then minus 3 or h squared. Minus 3 or there's or h squared. Notice that this and this cancels. And that is indeed minus 3. So this is the trick I used to do in exams, where I'd start at the answer and write backwards to make it look like to the grader that I did the algebra correctly. So what I could pretend to do is I could say, okay, well, this equals pi over 3. And then I could put the h cubed at the front. And then the RH squared, I could split. I could say, well, that's minus 4 RH squared plus RH squared plus 4R cubed. So that takes care of that, and then that takes care of that. And then I could say pi over 3 h cubed minus 4 or h squared. And then in red, I'll say plus 4 or squared h plus or h squared minus 4 or squared h plus 4 or cubed. Now, in my opinion, this answer is perfectly valid, and if this was an exam question, you could definitely stop with this answer. But if there was an answer that you're trying to work towards, like if the question said show that the volume is given by this, then this is one way to arrive at it. So what did I do here? I just put the 4r cubed at the back and the h cubed at the front, but then I split this into 2. So I split that into 2, and then I added and subtracted the 4r squared h. And now I can start grouping and factorizing and so on. Okay, sneaky way to do it.